Creating a new project takes a lot of time, especially setting up your database and backend. SLGT lets you create a new project instantly, setting up databases, Hasura, Supabase, CI/CD, and it's all containerized for easy deployment. To use SLGT, ensure you have Docker installed on your machine, GitHub SSH setup, and also GitHub CLI. Sounds good? First, open up a terminal and clone the repository. Now, you can open this up in your editor of choice. Open up a new terminal. Install the dependencies with npm install. And finally, run the script with npm start. Now we're following some instructions on the screen here. Since this is a new project, we're going to go to this link and get our token. Here, we're going to click Generate New Token, and it's going to give us a unique token. And we just paste it over here. Secondly, we need a name for our project. This has to be all lowercase with no special characters or numbers. Now we need our database password. Now we need a region for our project, which will be whichever region is nearest to you. And our password for our Hasura GraphQL engine. I'll give my GitHub username here and select my organization. Now, SLGT is automatically setting up my project. So we've seen now that it's created our Docker images and it started our containers. So this is for the API and we can see that it's running. And this is the Hasura. So they've both been deployed and running here. And now it's creating the GitHub repositories. Finally, we have our project setup completed. Inside of our generated folder, we have the two folders that were created. Core is for the API, and Hasura has all of our database. The env files have all of our secrets plugged in that we have inputted. And we have our Docker Compose to run the project and our Docker Compose for Windows machines. Along with our core and Hasura GitHub repository. And that's all for setting up your project with SLGT.